cumin, coriander, and turmeric. To the dough to give it more flavor. To the dough to give it more flavor. Rougaille, make sure to use ripe tomatoes for the best flavor. You can also add other vegetables such as eggplant or bell peppers to the sauce for a more hearty dish. Frite, cut the potatoes into thin strips and soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes before frying to remove excess starch. Pat them dry with a paper towel before frying to ensure they eat crispy. Eat crispy. Samosas, you can use pre-made pastry dough or make your own from scratch. Fill the pastry with your desired filling and be sure to seal the edges tightly before frying to prevent the filling from leaking. Ingap. By trying these dishes and experimenting with different flavors and ingredients, you can experience the unique and delicious cuisine of Mauritius at home. In addition to these dishes, there are many other delicious and unique foods to try in Mauritius. Some other popular dishes include octopus curry. This dish features tender pieces of octopus cooked in a spicy curry sauce with tomatoes, onions, and garlic. It is often served with rice or bread. Boulettes. Boulettes are small dumplings that are filled with a mixture of ground meat and spices, such as cumin, coriander, and ginger. They are often served in a hot and sour broth with vegetables. Gâteau piment. Gâteau piment are small, deep-fried fritters made from yellow split peas, chili peppers, and spices. They are often served as a snack or appetizer. Fish vindé. Fish vindé is a spicy and tangy fish dish that is marinated in a mixture of vinegar, mustard seeds, turmeric, and chili peppers. It is often served with rice and vegetables. Alauda. Alauda is a sweet and refreshing drink that is made from milk, basil seeds, agar, and flavored with rose syrup or other sweet syrups. These dishes, along with many others, showcase the diverse and flavorful cuisine of Mauritius. Whether you are a fan of spicy curries, savory dumplings, or sweet drinks, there is something for everyone. Eat to enjoy in Mauritian cuisine. Eat to enjoy in Mauritian cuisine. If you are planning a trip to Mauritius, be sure to explore the local food scene and try as many dishes as you can. Here are some tips for experiencing the best of Mauritian cuisine. Visit local markets. Local markets are a great place to sample a variety of Mauritian foods, as well as to purchase ingredients to make your own dishes at home. The Central Market in Port Louis is a popular spot to try Mauritian street food and snacks. Popular spot to try Mauritian street food and snacks. Attend a food festival. Mauritius hosts several food festivals throughout the year, such as the Festival Culinaire Bernard Loiseau, which showcases the best of local and international cuisine. Take a cooking class. Taking a cooking class can be a fun and interactive way to learn about Mauritian cuisine and to pick up new cooking skills. Many cooking classes are offered at local restaurants or cooking schools. Ask locals for recommendations. Locals are often the best source of information when it comes to finding the best food spots in Mauritius. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations and try new dish that you may not have heard of before.